I knew nothing about GP before I came here, and like in one day, I know what I'm going to do next. Dr. Rahman himself, he is really amazing. I mean, whatever he said, it was so clear. And honestly, I had no questions for him because he answered everything already. I think it's sorted. This presentation is like really sorted. We have this book here and everything is written on it, so we don't need to write anything. And the presentation was really nice. It was really helpful.
I find this course is very interactive, the first thing. The other thing is that it's really very comprehensive. I didn't know a lot of things about this all GP training and how to get into the GP training and how you have to prepare yourself. I had a lot of questions in my mind, so I find all the answers from that. So I'm more confident and more clear now. The course overall was very relaxed, so if you have any questions you can ask easily. And the other thing is that I think this course covered each and every bit of the GP training and the recruitment system and everything. So I find it really very comprehensive.
Way more prepared, way more. Like, yeah, now I have the confidence, the trust on what I'm going to do, what I need to do. I like the organization of the course, the punctuation about the timing of everything, the schedule of the course. The way he explains is really nice, and he's really, supportive and makes you feel good, makes you feel more prepared. In 9 hours he could actually go through everything. It was really impressive. And he gave us his details to discuss him whenever we want, which was really good. Now I feel reassured to just go home, sleep, and the next day I can pop in a question into his mailbox and he can answer it. That's really good. He had a really quick review about how to get into training GP and also what we are expecting after, because when you are, let's say, get it done and you are a consultant GP, you know now what's going on. Are you going to become a locum GP? Are you going to do this or that or this or that?
Though it's a whole day course, it didn't feel like a long course. I've been to other courses as well, but this felt like it was entertaining, at the same time informative, so I really enjoyed the course. Got an idea of how to prepare. It was very useful, and I think he's a very good speaker, and he's tried his best to summarize everything.